What's up guys, welcome to Jay Wheelie. Today we're hitting some of the longest stairs in Canada. First we gotta start out by warming up on some of the mellow ones. We're rocking my Specialized status, bald rear tire, sketchy brakes, the derailleur's broken. Let's do this. Somewhere over the rainbow. Oh, that feels so good. That's gnarly. Okay, this one's definitely more sketchy. A lot steeper and it's full of snow. And that's only part of it. It goes up here and then it goes up here as well. So let's try this one. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Woo. That was probably one of the scariest things I've done. This one gets a little curvy. It is snowy, it is slick. Let's try it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 60, 61, 62, 63, 70. That was freaking gnarly, guys. Came down this set, you guys couldn't see it. And you just get spit right out of them. But bomb down here, locked at the brakes as soon as I hit the trail, and then just stuffed it underneath here because I couldn't stop. Look at that. I came in with some freaking speed. Oh my God. Next. Sweet, sweet lovin', won't you put it on me? Keep me going, 'cause you're all that I need. Now we're gonna start going downtown. There's even one across the river here that just get gnarly, and they get 45-degree angles, 200 plus steps, and it starts to get like stupid scary. Take a look at that downtown scenery, guys. Can't get much better than that. And we're gonna bomb this one now. Here we go. Oh, I like this one. Ever since I first saw it, I knew I had to come hit it. Oh, we gotta slow down. It's a long one. Oh. Whew. Okay, this is a big one, and I'm very sketched out to do this one. Just take it easy. Shit. I didn't think I could do that. Nothing's as hard as you think it is. Oh, except for that. Woo! I kind of thought I'd crash after I said that. Ooh, off camber. Okay, this is a good little line I found here. Nobody's coming. Ooh, there it goes. Yeah, here we go. And then we gotta jump at the end.
Swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home.
Hey man, wasn't that just a great video? Dang, I like that one. Man, you best be finger popping the video on screen right now, yard. Shit.